Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I go by the name Molen and this is Cook with Molen. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please go subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. And to all my returning subscribers, asanteni sana. I really appreciate a lot. So guys, if you have seen from the title of the video, today I'm going to make banana and pineapple smoothie for breakfast. So guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy this. And by the way, the recipe I'm going to use is very simple with affordable ingredients which you can get from your nearest mama mboga. You don't have to toil or sweat to get them. So guys, without further ado, allow me to start this video. So guys, when you are making pineapple banana smoothie, you will need pineapple, bananas, honey, natural honey, and 2 cups of milk. I used the measuring cups. So I'm just going to start by peeling the bananas. After cutting the pineapples and bananas, next I'm just going to add them into my blender. As you can see, After adding the fruits, I'm just going to take honey and add 3 tablespoons. Guys, I don't mind my spoon. For now I don't have the measuring cups, but very soon I will have them. Or if you have them and you are not using them, you can even gift me. Then next I'm going to add the 2 cups of milk. I used the small cups to measure the milk. So guys, next I'm just going to start blending. And don't worry guys, my blender is stainless, so you can't see what's inside, but I love the blender so much. It has served me for 4 years na sijawahi peleka kwa fundi ata. My smoothie is ready and this is how it looks like. It's very simple to make, by the way. As you have seen, the ingredients are affordable. You don't have to toil and to get them, guys. So you can try this at home and tell me what you think, guys. Very healthy, natural, no added sugar. As you have seen from the video, I haven't added any sugar, any additives, pure natural. So guys, try this at home and let me know from the comment section. So allow me to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching.